Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Before we begin, let me tell you about our team. My name is Rayhana Ditama. As a opening moderator, there are Khalifa Purnawijaya as a speaker one, and then Imran Nur Rahman as a speaker two, and Rizkia Dikti as a closing moderator. We are here to learn about non-clause and adjective clause. Okay, let's start our discussion today. I will give the step to our first speaker, Khalifa Purnawijaya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Khalifa Purnawijaya. My study number 90 11 31 42. I will explain the content of the text. This is the conversation text. Two high school seniors are having a conversation about life after graduation. Dua orang SMA sedang mengobrol tentang kehidupan setelah lulus. Agung: We graduate next month. Kami lulus bulan depan. Do you know what you are going to do? Tahukah kamu apa yang akan kamu lakukan? Di sini terdapat non-clause pertama pada do you know what you are going to do, yaitu direct object. Kemudian Ahmad: I don't have a clue. I guess I'll get a job. Aku tidak punya petunjuk. Aku kira aku akan mendapatkan pekerjaan. Doing what? Melakukan apa? Doing whatever I'm told. Melakukan apa yang diperintahkan. Di sini terdapat non-clause kedua, yaitu doing whatever I'm told. Indirect object. Kemudian Agung: By whom? Oleh siapa? Huda Rahmat menjawab, by whoever hears me. What about you? Oleh siapapun yang memperkerjakanku. Bagaimana denganmu? Di sini non-clause ketiga, yaitu by whoever hears me, yaitu subject. Agung: I think I'm going into the army. Aku pikir aku akan menjadi tentara. The army? Why? Tentara? Mengapa? Well, I don't know yet what I want as a career. Nah, aku belum tahu apa yang aku inginkan sebagai karir. Di sini non-clause keempat, yaitu direct object. I don't know yet what I want as a career. Kemudian I figure the army will help me decide. Why you don't join along with me? Aku pikir tentara akan membuatku memutuskan. Mengapa kamu tidak bergabung denganku? Rahmat: What? And be told what I have to do every minute of the day. Apa? Dan beritahu apa yang harus aku lakukan setiap menit, setiap hari. Di sini non-clause kelima, yaitu direct object pada and be told what I have to do every minute of the day. Kemudian Agung: You just said you are willing to do whatever your boss tell you. Kamu baru saja mengatakan kamu bersedia melakukan apapun yang diperintahkan oleh atasanmu. Di sini non-clause ke-6, yaitu direct object. Indirect object. You just said you are willing to do whatever your boss tell you. Kemudian anyway, it's not like that. You can learn a lot new things. Thing is over. Bagaimanapun, tidak seperti itu. Kamu bisa belajar banyak hal baru. Pikirkan itu. Decide. It's later. I have to go. Bye. Aku akan memutuskannya nanti. Aku harus pergi. Oke, then see you later. Oke, kalau begitu, sampai jumpa. Di sini pada teks pertama tadi kami mendapatkan 6 noun clause. Yang pertama direct object, kemudian indirect object, subject, direct object dan indirect object. Next speaker to Imron.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Imran Rahman. My student number is 9011 3120. Adjective clause. Conjunction who or that. Simple sentence. Alfonso is the general manager in this company. He often makes wrong decision. Di sini he sebagai subjek, often makes wrong decision sebagai predikat. Combination. Alfonso who often makes wrong decision in the general manager in this company. Di sini ditemukan conjunction who menggantikan he. Next. Which or that. Which or that berfungsi sebagai pengganti subjek atau objek benda. Simple sentence. To minimize the cases of assassination, the president of Argentina finally legalized the death penalty. It is still controversial. It sebagai subjek, is still controversial sebagai predikat. Combination. To minimize the cases of assassination, the president of Argentina finally legalized the death penalty. That is still controversial. Di sini ditemukan conjunction yaitu which or that. Tapi kita menggunakan that karena lebih tepat. Next. Pengganti objek benda. A seahorse is often imagined as a real horse living in the sea. Many sea creature collectors hunt seahorse as the ornamental fish. Many sea creature sebagai subjek, collector hunt sebagai predikat, seahorse sebagai objek. Combination. A seahorse, one or that many sea creature collector hunt as an ornamental fish is often imagined as a real horse living in the sea. Di sini kita temukan conjunction yaitu whom or that. Tetapi kita menggunakan whom karena objek benda. Ini artinya terjemahannya kuda laut yang banyak diburu oleh kolektor hewan laut diimajinasikan sebagai kuda asli yang hidup di laut. Next. Whom or that. Whom or that memiliki fungsi sebagai pengganti atau penjelas objek orang. Simple sentence. The teacher just punished Acil and Badung. My brother really had them due to their bad habit. My brother sebagai subjek, really had them due to their bad habit sebagai predikat objek. Combination. The teacher just punished Acil and Badung, whom my brother really had them due to their bad habit. Kita temukan conjunction di sini yaitu whom, menjelaskan my brother. Yang artinya, guru baru saja menghukum Ucil dan Badung yang adikku sangat benci kepada mereka karena tingkah buruk mereka. Next. Whose. Whose berfungsi sebagai penjelas kepemilikan. Simple sentence. Limbat is a great magician in Indonesia. Limbat's body strength can hypnotize the audience. Combination. Limbat, whose body strength can hypnotize the audience is a great magician in Indonesia. Limbat di sini sebagai subjek, body strength sebagai predikat, can hypnotize the audience sebagai subjek. Artinya, Limbat yang kekuatan tubuhnya mampu menghipnotis penontonnya merupakan pesulap hebat di Indonesia. Thank you. Next, closing.
Thank you everyone for giving your attention for me and giving attention to our presentation. I hope that our presentation could help you study. I appreciate your attention again. Thank you and good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.